Okay, now that we have a clean build space, we can start by building the base. And as we've spoken about, the base of this object is actually going to be a rectangle, but we're not just going to eyeball it and kind of just say, oh, okay, this is kind of the size that it should be. We're not doing that in this project. We're actually going to work with exact measurements. So I want you guys to make note that when I do actually start building a rectangle, I want you to keep an eye down here in the lower right portion of the screen where it says dimensions. We see that when I actually start building a rectangle, it's actually, and I move it around, it's actually trying to measure this out as I do it. So we can see as I kind of reshape the rectangle, it's changing the dimensions or the measurements on the side. And if you guys take a look at your packet, you'll see that the exact measurements I want this two-dimensional object to be is 31.8 millimeters by 15.8 millimeters. So while we have kind of this rectangle in the middle of being drawn, waiting to be clicked so that we can create parameters for it, we're actually just going to go in and type in 31.8 millimeters, comma, and notice in the bottom right corner in the dimensions area, I'm filling this in now, and then 15.8 millimeters. Now when I press enter, it's going to give me a rectangle of those exact measurements, and you'll see that it's going to reformat itself when I press enter. So I'm going to go ahead and press enter. And there we go. We can see now we have a two-dimensional shape that has the exact measurements that we're looking for. So now we're ready to make this three-dimensional and then eventually go in and have it take shape a little bit and look like a Lego brick.